Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing current flow. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, so sparks are minimized and you can work safely. Once done, inspect posts for corrosion and note which clamp fits which battery post. This prevents mixing polarity later. Use a terminal puller if clamps are stuck to avoid bending posts, and keep a soft cloth ready to dry posts after cleaning to ensure proper electrical contact. You neutralize acid with a baking soda and water mix. Scrub the posts briskly so you remove white crust that impedes conductivity. Then file or sand small pitting to restore a smooth contact surface. This increases clamp contact area and lowers resistance. If clamp sleeves are bent or thin, replace them because a tight mechanical fit is essential. Once the clamp slides on properly, smear a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to protect the metal. You reverse the disconnect order. Attach the positive clamp first, then the negative, because this reduces short risk during reassembly. Once clamped, tighten to a snug torque so the post won't spin, but avoid over-tightening, which can crack the battery. Test electrical health with headlights and a multimeter. You want about 12. 6 volts at rest and stable voltage under load. If voltage falls or starts fail, check connections again and then test the battery and alternator. Replace the faulty component if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.